Hello everyone, welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using Plaxis 2D. This is tutorial number 12, importing multi-layered slope geometry from AutoCAD to Plaxis 2D. As you can see, this is the slope geometry and soil stratigraphy from a previous lecture, and we modeled this soil stratigraphy in Plaxis 2D in previous tutorial. So in this lecture I will show you how can we draw or generate this slope geometry or soil stratigraphy at AutoCAD and import to Plaxis 2D. So first we will need to draw each soil layer in AutoCAD using a polyline, and after that we will need to export it as the XF file, and after that we can import to Plaxis 2D. I will also show you how can we import the already defined dataset material from an existing project to a new project. So in tutorial 11 we defined these soil materials which is already exist in Plaxis lesson 11. So in this tutorial we will try to import this material dataset from tutorial 11 to tutorial 12. So first of all I will open this AutoCAD file which we use to draw a slope geometry. So as you can see, and first of all we need to delete these dimensions and text. So let me delete all of these excess lines or texts and dimensions. Okay, and this line. And right now we need to use a polyline for each soil layer. As we can see, we have 3 soil layers. So I will start from the top soil layer, and also we need to close the polyline. So as you can see, in here we have a closed soil polyline, and also we will do for other soil layers as well. Okay, and we need to close it, right click. Also for the bottom soil layer. Okay, so as you can see we draw 3 polylines, and let me select all of these polylines, and in here we will separate these polylines from previous lines. I will delete this one. So these are the 3 polylines we used to draw the soil layers. So there's another important thing. There should be a consistency between units of Plaxis and AutoCAD. So in Plaxis we use meters as units, and we also need to change the unit of AutoCAD from inches to meters, and we click OK. The next step, we should save this AutoCAD DWG as WXF, and I will select AutoCAD 2018 DXF, and I will save this one at desktop and save. Okay, and now I will open Plaxis 2D. We start a new project and paste the title in here and click OK. So we don't need to draw any boreholes, etc. Just we click import soil and import soil. We saved our DXF file on desktop. I select it and open it. So as you can see, all poly lines changed to poly curves. And in here there's an advanced option. It says import closed polylines as a polygon. So Plaxis will automatically change these closed polylines to a soil polygon. So I click yes, import, and we click OK. So as you can see, all soil layers were imported to the Plaxis, and in here we have 3 soil layers. We don't need to define from the beginning because we defined in previous lecture, so we can import from a previous lecture. We click on show material and expand show other resources. In here, if we have already exported any soil material in here, which is called global dataset file, or we can select a Plaxis file and click on select, and we click on here the Plaxis file lesson 11. We select it, and as you can see, all these materials imported from tutorial 11. So I select all of them, and in here I click, and right now these materials are available in this Plaxis file, and I can easily assign the material like this one, and this is medium dense sand, and also this is dense sand. And again, we can proceed to mesh, or before proceeding to mesh, we can apply a surcharge load and proceed to mesh and run the analysis. So we did this example in tutorial 11. So the purpose of this lecture was only to show you how to import the soil stratigraphy from AutoCAD to Plaxis 2D. So I hope it was clear. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.